Welcome to another video. So, VS Code is now becoming an AI code editor. Yes, I'm not kidding. Microsoft has made a blog post and shared on their socials that VS Code is becoming an open source AI code editor. They titled their blog post as VS Code Open Source AI Editor. Then they say in the post, "We believe that the future of code editors should be open and powered by AI. For the last decade, VS Code has been one of the most successful OSS projects on GitHub. We are grateful for our vibrant community of contributors and users who choose VS Code because it is open source. As AI becomes core to the developer experience in VS Code, we intend to stay true to our founding development principles: open, collaborative, and community-driven. We will open source the code in the Github Copilot chat extension under the MIT license, then carefully refactor the relevant components of the extension into VS Code core. This is the next and logical step for us in making VS Code an open source AI editor. It's a reflection that AI-powered tools are core to how we write code, a reaffirmation of our belief that working in the open leads to a better product for our users and fosters a diverse ecosystem of extensions. Basically, they are saying that VS Code is now becoming an open source AI editor, and they are also going to open source their GitHub Copilot chat extension. This basically means that they are probably going to open up certain endpoints more in the VS Code extension, which will allow other developers to also integrate complex AI features into it. This may require others to fork and do things like that. So, this is kind of cool to see from them, because it would really make it extensible, and people could look into how Copilot functions and replicate that in their own projects and things like that. They also talk about why they are making these things open source now. Now, before proceeding, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Ninja Tools. Ninja Tools is a crazy AI platform where you pay once and access all AI models and agents at one place. It combines all the best AI models and experiences. It allows you to save over $600 per year compared to having separate subscriptions. You get access to Claude, 3.7 Sonnet, GPT-4o, Gemini, and a ton of other models in one subscription. You even get some more cool options like AI video generation, image generation, music generation, and document chats. You can also use their playground to compare multiple AI responses at once. The best part is that it just starts from $11 per month. That gives you more than 1,000 chat messages, 30 AI image generation, and 5 music generation, while there is also some even more advanced plans if you need them. Make sure to check Ninja Tools out and save some money on your subscription while you're at it. Now back to the video. They argue that over the last few months, they've observed shifts in AI development that motivated them to transition their AI development in VS Code from closed to open source. Large language models have significantly improved, reducing the need for secret sauce prompting strategies. The most popular and effective UX treatments for AI interactions are now common across editors. They want to enable the community to refine and build on these common UI elements by making them available in a stable, open code base. An ecosystem of open source AI tools and VS Code extensions has emerged. They want to make it easier for these extension authors to build, debug, and test their extensions. This is especially challenging today without access to the source code in the Copilot chat extension. They've gotten a lot of questions about the data that is collected by AI editors. Open sourcing the Copilot chat extension enables you to see the data they collect, increasing transparency. Malicious actors are increasingly targeting AI developer tools. Throughout VS Code's history as OSS, community issues and PRs have helped them find and fix security issues quickly. I think that this is really awesome because, As you know, the reason that Cursor isn't a VS Code extension is because they apparently weren't able to extend it enough, as VS Code locks in many APIs for themselves. But it seems that they are now finally moving forward to make it much easier for developers of Cline or RuCode or any such extension to build even better user interactions, which is just awesome and will surely make the AI tools that we already have much better, more reliable, and just easier to develop. Currently, many extensions take a long way around for simple stuff, which not only makes them heavy, but also consumes a large amount of memory, which is something that can be fixed with this. That is quite awesome. They say that in the coming weeks, they will work to open source the code in the Github Copilot chat extension and refactor AI features from the extension into VS Code Core. Their core priorities remain intact, delivering great performance, powerful extensibility, and an intuitive, beautiful user interface. Open source works best when communities build around a stable, shared foundation. Thus, their goal is to make contributing AI features as simple as contributing to any part of VS Code. The stochastic nature of large language models makes it especially challenging to test AI features and prompt changes. To ease this, they will also make their prompt test infrastructure open source to ensure that community PRs can build and pass tests. So, it is clear that they are making VS Code now truly adaptable to the AI age, as it will allow developers to build AI applications that can check VS Code state without messing around, and can basically do multiple things like agentic editing in a better manner. For example, if they have built-in tools like edit, replace, diff, and such tools in the code editor itself, then developers may not need to write their own tool implementations and can just use VS Code's implementation. That will allow them to remain secure and up-to-date without the developers themselves having to update the code, which is quite awesome. Plus, once the GitHub Copilot extension becomes open, then we should also be able to put in our own pull requests to build something even cooler. I really like this step by them, as VS Code needs to adapt to the newest standards in their editors, and they have finally done that. I hope that they make things like model connections, API keys, and stuff like that more streamlined, so you could set it up once and any of the extensions can use that. Or, if they can give an API to use Copilot models without rate limits, then that would also be awesome. I think they can pull off an AI extensions ecosystem that is streamlined, and I think that is doable. So, this is a super good step, and I hope that they give tough competition to Cursor and become an open source option that is better and much more community-driven, rather than being closed source and only giving people what they think is right. These changes will also trickle down to things like VS Codium, which means that you can also remain private while staying open, which should be quite cool as well. I really liked it and thought to talk about this. Let me know what you guys think about this as well in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.